Imagine you're lying in bed. It's late, dark. Suddenly, a deep ache in your chest. Flashes hit. Childhood dreams, promises to yourself, the person you swore you'd become. Reality slams in. You're nowhere close. Days blur into years. Stuck. Scrolling. Doubting. Whispering tomorrow. That quiet scream. Is this it? I know that pain. Millions do. But you're listening right now. That means the fighter inside is still alive. Still believes you were born for more. And that fighter is right. Your life doesn't have to stay this way. Only one thing blocks your true life. Your mind. Untrained, it tortures you with lies, fear, smallness. Mastered, it sets you free. Turns fear to fuel, doubt to drive. Master your mind, and you become unstoppable. Today, everything changes. Your mind creates your reality. Every emotion, action, destiny starts as a thought. Science, your brain is plastic. Repeated thoughts rewire it, any age. Negative loops release stress hormones, drain energy, cloud focus. Positive thoughts release feel-good chemicals, sharpen mind. Build confidence. You are not your thoughts. You are the chooser. Catch a negative. Ask true? Helpful. Replace it. This simple act rewires you. Successful people train their minds relentlessly. Carol Dweck, 2 mindsets. Fixed, talent is born. Effort shameful. Failure permanent. Others' success equals threat. Growth. Abilities built through effort. Challenges excite. Failure equals feedback. Others' success equals inspiration. Jordan cut from team. Chose growth, became GOAT. Rowling rejected 12 times, persisted. Billionaire author. Edison, 10,000 failures for the light bulb. Shift your words. Add yet. I'm not good yet. Choose growth daily. Potential unlimited. Habits build your life. You fall to your systems, not goals. Make good habits easy. Obvious cues, attractive, simple start, rewarding. Environment beats willpower. Books visible. Phone away. Clothes ready. 2-minute rule. Scale down huge goals. Wanna run? Just put on shoes. 1% better daily compounds massively. Identity shift. I am a writer. Write daily. Track. Celebrate. Transform quietly. Procrastination steals dreams. Instant gratification wins until panic forces action. Discipline. Choose long-term want over now. Action creates motivation. 5-second rule. 5-4-3-2-1. Move.do the work anyway. Goggins built mental calluses. Cold showers. Extreme effort when body screams stop. Start small, discomfort daily. Strength grows. Stoicism. Ultimate mastery. Focus only on what you control. Thoughts. Actions. Love whatever happens. Marcus Aurelius. Power over your mind, not events. Seneca. We suffer more in imagination. Epictetus. Not things, but views of them disturb us. Obstacle is the way. Remember death. Live fully. Inner peace in any storm. Rewire tools. Meditate daily. Breath focus. Journal gratitude. Challenge negatives. Script ideal future. Visualize success vividly. Exercise. Sleep well. Eat clean. Growth affirmations with emotion. Growth-minded people around you. Emotional mastery. Observe emotions. Anger is here, not I am angry. Use as data. Build resilience. Voluntary discomfort. Frankl chose meaning in camps. Goggins. When mind says quit, you're only 40% done. You become anti-fragile. Quotes to live by. You have power over your mind. not outside events. Marcus obstacle is the way. Discipline equals freedom. Jocko, every action is a vote for who you become. Clear what you think. You become. Buddha, whether you think you can or can't, you're right. Ford 30-day challenge. Start tomorrow morning. Make bed. Meditate 5 to 10 min journal. 3 gratitudes. Top 3 priorities. Exercise 20 to 30 min cold shower finish. Day. 5-second rule on hesitation. Point 1 uncomfortable task. Catch and replace negatives. Track habits. Evening. Plan tomorrow. Reflect. Wins. Lesson. Read 10 pages growth book. No screens last hour. Weekly review Sunday. No 0 days. Restart immediately if miss. Share with someone. I end 30 days. Sharper, stronger. Calmer. This is lifelong. You finish listening. Most wouldn't. That proves you're different. Knowledge means nothing without action. Your mind can create heaven or hell. Choice is yours. Every moment. Master it starting. Today, accomplish the impossible. Stay calm when others break. Live free. This is your birthright. Claim it now. Choose one habit tonight. Say aloud, I am mastering my mind. Starting today. The real you is waiting. Go become it. Master your mind. Master your life.